Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to repair little holes in the sleeve of any sweater or clothing you have. This happens a lot, sometimes in a big way, sometimes in a really small way, but it's really easy to fix. And all you need is a sewing needle, some thread, and some scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is just turn it inside out because we're going to sew from the wrong side of the fabric. We're going to take some thread and you're going to pull it out about the length of your arm. And then you want to cut it off at a bit of an angle like that. So these are just regular sewing needles. I have a link for the ones that I like in the description, but you can use any little sewing needle. Put the thread through and then pull it until the ends meet at the bottom like that. And then you can just smooth it out. And this is what we'll use to sew that hole shut. You're going to start on one side of the hole where the fabric is still intact. And you'll just go down and up through the fabric with the needle and thread. Pull until the ends are just hanging out a little bit, and then you're going to go back through that same area again. And this creates a loop of thread like that. Then you can put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. So that kind of knots the thread into the fabric. We're going to do that 3 times, going through that loop and pulling it closed. Once you have 3 knots, then you're ready to start sewing the hole shut. And to do that, all you do is go in from one side of the hole and out the other side and pull it shut. So again, you're just going in from one side, out on the other side, and you're doing this all along the hole. And you'll see it will slowly start to close. And you just want to make sure you're going through good fabric on either side, not fabric that's unraveling. You want to make sure it's good, sturdy fabric. And once you get to the end and the hole is sewn shut, then we just have to do those knots again and we are done. As easy as that. So again, I'll keep going until I'm past the hole. I've made it to where fabric is still completely intact. And now we can do our knots. So again, you just go through the fabric, pull the needle, and then put it back through that loop of thread and pull it shut. And we do that right on top of each other 3 times. And then we are safe to cut off our thread and our hole is closed, just like that. Get this off, and then you can turn it right side out and you can see, as easy as that, the hole is sewn shut. So easy. And now your sweater looks good as new. There's a couple more tiny holes over here. We're going to do the exact same thing. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.